Stop using generic printed products that fail to represent your brand. Your brand deserves designs that stand out and leave a lasting impression. Most businesses struggle with poor print quality, limited customization options, unreliable suppliers, and delayed deliveries. That's where Keystone Digital Hub comes in. We provide premium customized printed products designed to professionally represent your brand. From caps, mugs, diaries, pens, and keychains, to shirts, hoodies, mobile covers, bottles, and much more. If you can imagine it, we can design and print it. Our products are crafted with clean, modern designs and high-quality printing to impress your audience. We offer fully customized designs, premium print quality, and support for both single and bulk orders, serving local and international clients with reliable communication and professional service. Our process is simple. You share your idea or requirement. We design and confirm. Then we print and deliver. Explore our work, services, and digital presence across all major platforms. Message Keystone Digital Hub today, and let's customize your brand.